Hello, welcome back to another biometrics integration episode. I just realized that I can no longer proceed with my ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner integration in .NET MAUI for Android. Let me show you why. Here's the application that I was developing for .NET MAUI Android using the ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner. Okay, let me show you the app info. There's the app info. Let me close it. Now I'm going to open the app. But there, I've actually connected the ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner via OTG to my Android phone, where I have installed this .NET MAUI app. Let me start it, observe what happens. Yeah, there goes the app. So you can see it detected it found the device, and then this is where I am being requested for permission to allow ZKTeco 4500 C#.NET MAUI app to access the ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint reader. So I just say okay. Then from there, I need to close the application so that when it starts again, it starts with it is able to pick up the USB permission that we have just granted it right now. So I close it. Let me tap close. Oh, sorry, how did I do? Yeah, I need to close it. Now I open it again. So you can see found ZKTeco device. There is the VID and the PID, USB permission granted. And then you can see found ZKTeco device. Device confirmed, that is the PID of the device. Then it is now opening the device. It is attempting to open now. But then it cannot because it can't run open on this ZKTeco 4500. So it attempts an open and reboot function. The open and reboot function is called. So it verifies that the device was open and gives us the SDK version. So SDK version 2.1.24. Then the listener is registered. It attempts to initiate captcha start, but then it fails. Yeah. So the subsequent instances of captcha error is because the listener is already started, but then the application could not be able to get a device handle to the ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner because it could not successfully open this device. So with this outcome, I cancelled the plans of proceeding with the integration of the ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner in .NET MAUI Android because the SDK that I am using from ZKTeco is not able to grant me a device handle to operate the ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner. So in other words, that SDK that I was using is not able to open the ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner. Hopefully in the near future, if I gain access to a ZKTeco device in the categories of e.g. ZKTeco 9500, 8500 or 6500, I'll be able to proceed with this integration. But for now, since I have realized that the ZKTeco API, or rather the ZKTeco SDK 400 from ZKTeco cannot work with the ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner, it will be pointless for me to continue with this integration, knowing very well that the SDK for Android, that is the version 2.1.24, cannot work with ZKTeco 4500 fingerprint scanner. In a not so far future, I'll be able to gain access to a ZKTeco device that is supported by this SDK so that I can complete this integration and show you how to do registration, do authentication in a ZKTeco.NET MAUI Android application. Alright, so see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.